is a week's reading for you Libras from the 6th of January. So Tarot, what have we got for Libra? Libra, please, Tarot. The 7 of Pentacles. The 9 of Pentacles. The 3 of Wands. Sorry, new cards, guys. I'm having to count them. The 8 of Wands. The Devil, that's a Capricorn energy. The 6 of Cups. The Queen of Wands. The Queen of Pentacles. The 4 of Pentacles. The Hermaphrodite, that's a Taurus energy. The 7 of Cups. The 3 of Swords. And the Page of Cups. Okay, so there's a lot of putting yourself down this week and kind of like thinking about the past and like, you know, remembering what it, you know, what was, okay, and how it used to be for you guys, okay. And actually, you know, you've actually got a lot of things going for you. There's a lot of money as well, lots of financial gain coming to you this week. All right, so maybe you're remembering things when, you know, your budget wasn't so tight, and actually things are going to be coming through for you. But also I do believe that you know, that you're, you know, unable to see you know, things quite so clearly, and actually you're putting yourself down. I do believe really this is more about the fact that, you know, you're being very critical on yourself this week, and you kind of like, you know, putting yourself down constantly. All right, guys, when actually you shouldn't be. And you know what, you need to just, you know, be more optimistic, okay, and use those, you know, use that you know, those resources around you in order to create better things, and stop letting, you know, everything, you know, really, you know, play on you at the moment. Give some information on that Devil card for Libra, please, Tarot. That Devil card. Queen of Cups and the 3 of Cups. Okay, so you kind of having to be more you know, more compassionate, and actually also stop basically, guys, yeah, okay, you need to overlook putting yourself down, yeah, okay. You know, you're really drilling yourself about something, and actually, you know, remember to love yourself, all right, because, you know, great things are coming, okay, and there is a celebration as well coming. There's great news coming for you this week, but, you know, through putting yourself down, and you know, you're forgetting how much, you know, you should really love yourself, all right. That's what I'm getting from that straight away. Let's see what this 3 of Swords is. Three of Swords for Libra, please. Three of Swords for Libra, please. The Ace of Wands. And the Lovers, Gemini. Okay, so I'm seeing this more as, you know, a new start, okay? So maybe also you're having problems within your love life, and actually, you know, you feel where you are pretty much putting yourself down, mate, and, you know, drilling yourself about a situation. Actually, you're going to have a new beginning, like you're going to get that reset button this week, okay, and actually start again and actually make things move forward and being more positive within your love life. And that's a single or attached. All right, guys, you're going to see yourself and grow from this, okay, and actually be able to work on it. All right, some information please on that middle card, on the Seven of Pentacles for Libras. That's Seven of Pentacles for Libras, please. It's the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Hangman, and the Six of Swords. Okay, so you're gonna, you know, this week it's all about, you know, just seeing the, you know, seeing, you know, the opportunity that's there for you, okay? And you might feel like you're really defeated at the moment, and you just want to close off from the world and say forget it all, okay? And you know, you've been here before and you've been stuck in this place, but actually, you know, this is all about a new start, a new focus, and a new drive for you this week, okay? And it's all about changing your mindset and actually working on becoming a much more stronger individual, okay, guys? So I hope that helps, Libras.